Chainsaw update.
No,
It now
that
works in
guy.
play mode. I actually don't own this. I just
follow
got
me.
given it, but it's okay.
Team, follow me.
It actually took me, guys,
Everybody in our team,
a
follow
week
me.
to
Take
find
one seat.
outposts.
We're gonna go to
We've got to go
Wild.
research. We've got Blue House Research Facility,
And then we're gonna
and then
close
it's so
Wild.
annoying. And after Research
No,
Facility,
I turned stop,
why?
so you have to set mine.
Why me?
Dude, both
I feel like the world is honestly
people
against
who
me.
were in the house
This game hates me.
come.
I think because I've gotten banned over
now
like
going
6
to Wild.
times. They're like, you've been
Okay.
naughty boy.
Come up. We're going to
I'm not
Wild.
going to let you play anymore.
And now I'm becoming the
I know
chainsaw
what
man.
it said. Ooh, this is what I can do to people.
Stop
Shave none.
that.
My life
Stop it.
die. Goodbye.
Stop it.
Imagine if
Stop
you
it, man.
God, I don't even own these bars. I don't own them.
Yeah.
I don't own them.
Yeah, let's go to Wild.
Okay, boys.
Wild.
Let's go.
God, oh God, you are evil.
Let's go to Wild and then close Wild.
He's gone. Damn it. Could've
I
got
told
it.
you guys to let's go.
Bong. Haha. There's only 3 of us in this entire lobby. Where is everyone? Oh, it's only 2 of us. Lab what? Why is Sigma?
It's on YouTube. It might be on YouTube.
That's so cool. Oh God, I didn't put it on. I didn't put it on. I nearly hit you with a chainsaw. Bye bye. Chainsaw attack. I kind of deserve that. God, I was about to say chainsaw attack again and just jump him. I'm about to jump. Where is it? The hell? The actual hell? Hello! Hey, I want peace, boy! I want peace! Does boy not understand what peace is?
My pet is diarrhea. Look, my pet is diarrhea. Her first name is Daya, and her last name is Ria. Say hi to diarrhea.
Hello, diarrhea. Why did you name your pet that? That's just animal abuse, bro. Diarrhea.
What? No. Her
And
first name
he's
is
brown.
Daya.
Yeah.
Her first name is Daya, and her last name is Ria. That's a good name.
That's diarrhea, and it's brown, so that makes it even more worse. It's brown and it's called diarrhea.
No, it's Daya and Ria.
Yeah, that's basically the same thing.
What? No, it isn't.
Diarrhea.
Her name is Daya, and her last name is Ria.
But you did that to yourself. I think I got broken. Oh, I got.
Oh, he died. Oh, R.I.P. Oh no, you didn't. Oh, nice. Yay, come
Now
on.
you die. Oh! Did boy just kill himself? How are you? I'm ready. Come out. Wherever you are.
I won the race. Yay.
The hell?
Anyways, does anybody want to say hi to my pet named Diarrhea?
I think that other fox does.
Look, my pet's name is Diarrhea. Say hi to Diarrhea.
Duh.
Her first name is Daya. And her last name is Ria. Say hi to Diarrhea. And you're wondering, and if you're wondering that,
Haha. Bye bye. Oh, I don't own a chainsaw, so I can't really. Oh god, he's gonna buy the chainsaw. Don't buy it. Do not buy it.
Oh, I thought you were my pen, but
No! The question about knockbacks, that's crazy.
diarrhea. Very beautiful diarrhea.
Hello, diarrhea. Your pet's name is very nice. Diarrhea sounds weird to say.
I hate you.
It went out!
Oh, please go.
Mary Poppins looking all. I can freeze in midair. I'm the midair man. Oh! That's crazy.
Chainsaw.
No, I don't own it, but I just have it. I got it from some kid. Oh god, I'm gonna kill. Hello. I froze.
Hi, how are you doing? Yeah.
I didn't even hit you that time.
What is it?
No!
Roar.
No!
Haha, little loser.
What do you mean, Luke? That's toxicity, mate. I didn't say you were a loser. I just killed you. I'm allowed to.
No.
What can I have it? I don't own that.
Achoo!
You've been
Hey,
toxic.
wait, Phil.
Yeah.
We love.
You are being toxic to me. I'm allowed to.
We live. We love.
Go for it.
Shut up about Smurf cats. I hate Smurf cats and my enemy, bro. Look, at Daya. Look at Daya. Her first name is Daya and her last name is Ria. Look
I'm
at
your
Daya,
bodyguard. I'm your bodyguard.
She's so cute.
Psych. Oh god. We're just killing him. Can I have it?
Everybody will fight at the top.
You can't use it anymore.
Guys, all
Go
of
on.
us are gonna do a...
I can throw it away. Can I have it?
They are so nice.
Everybody
I'm gonna commit homicide. Please.
They are so nice and outpost.
I'm gonna commit murder.
Everybody come up.
It doesn't work anymore. It doesn't work anymore.
Okay.
It doesn't work anymore.
Come to the top.
Can I have it now?
Fight.
Please, please, please. It doesn't work. Damn it. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. See? It doesn't work.
You don't really like fights.
Bippity boppity boo. That chainsaw shall never
Who
work.
wants to fight? Who wants to fight?
Hello.
It doesn't work. I have magical powers. It will stop in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Told you. I have magic powers. Die.
No, because I need cotton.
Rest in peace. You're nice. We just gave up on the quiz. I'm in front of you. Haha.
Chainsaw. I can make the chainsaw
Get juked.
work. I can make the chainsaw work. 1, 2,
Me don't want
3.
And it will turn off in 3, 2, 1.